Okay, and welcome techs. Today we're going to be showing you what defective RAM looks like on an RTX card. This is an RTX 2060 by ZOTAC. It does in fact have Micron GDDR6 memory that is defective. So we're going to pop it on the test bench and we'll show you what happens when you install the driver on one of these defective cards. Okay guys, that's our video for today. Stay away from the early release RTX 20 series cards, especially if you can't verify the memory on the card. The Micron cards are just garbage. So like, share, subscribe for more videos, and once we hit 500 subscribers, we're going to be giving away a 512 gig SATA SSD or a 512 gig NVMe SSD to one of our subscribers. So like, share, subscribe for more content, and we'll see you in the next one.